that starts with letter S. S.
What?
Sunshine.
Wrong. Tinit.
Strawberry.
Very good.
Next.
Fruits that starts with letter P. Pineapple.
Look.
Sa'yo na. Papaya. Country that starts with letter P. Philippines.
Very good.
Color that starts with letter M. Mapas. Parts of the body that starts with letter P.
Sakto. Sakto.
Parts of the body that starts with letter K. Photo. Songs or kanta nga nag-starts with the word the. Daunggoy. Fruits that starts with letter B. Banana.
Na.
Country that starts with letter T. Tanggol. Country that starts with letter G.
G. Goat. Oh, Germany.
Very good.
Animals that starts with letter M. Monkey.
Yeah.
Parts of the body that starts with letter P. Gihapon. Wait na po itong nagsunan. Parts of the body that starts with letter K. Gihapon.
Go.
K?
Oh.
K? K?
Oh.
Di Coco.
Animals that starts with letter L. Lion. Lion. Ay, ginagawa! Aluan man! Fruits that starts with letter M.
What?
M. Fruit that starts with letter D. One. Lang. Walay. Country that starts with letter S. Cebu? Cebu? Color that starts with letter K. California. Animals that starts with letter B. Bangkok. Parts of the body that starts with letter M. Mata.
Very good.
Occasion that starts with letter... Why labot sa birthday? Starts with letter B. Occasion.
Pasyon yung gusto ko ko.
Parts of the country. Dahil ay country nga starts with letter C. Si California. Lo? D.
Di rin na country good.
Ano fruits that starts with letter F? Pass?
Ha.
Fruits that starts with letter E. Eggplant.
Ay, fruits rin na.
Fruit that starts with letter G.
G.
Pass.
Si.
Pass.